Jobless, a word that too many Kenyan youths are familiar with. It means workless, between jobs, redundant, laid off. And for me not to fall into depression, stressed or frustrated, I had to create a morning routine for myself so that I look forward to each and every day. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm just waking up. I know I'm going to have a very busy day. First, let's pray. You're not going to see this, and then let's go do some cleaning. Let's start with the dishes. After I'm done with cleaning, I normally work out, because for me working out makes me feel good. It relieves stress. By the way, if you're stressed, you should try working out and see how it goes for you. It really does work. What next after working out? I'll have some breakfast, shower, and then finally start creating content. For me, YouTube is my happy place. It's a place that I go to when I'm stressed, when I feel like the world is shutting down. It just makes my soul happy. So today I'm doing a styling video, plus I'm taking some photos for Instagram. You should follow me, by the way, Fashion Guru Kenya on Instagram. So after creating content, it's finally time for me to have lunch, sit down and at least watch a movie or whatever it is that is on the TV, and start planning for the next day. By then it will be at least 4 p.m. in the evening. So if you're going through stress, depression, frustrations in life, please look for your happy place. For me, YouTube is my happy place. What's your happy place? Find that out, and there are things that will never bother you ever again.
Nachotaka ni wewe tu, haja ya moyo wangu.